Stormtrooper 432 reviews today's item, Douglas. Douglas was released in 1994, I believe, and discontinued in 2010. The seller of this item that I got from was the name of Jake Jess 02 on eBay. Got for like $10. So let's take a look at Douglas himself. He had a little edge on him, colored over that Sharpie. You can see there's like little marks of edge like right there. That's his name. Seats on the wheels are 2003. Let me check again. Yeah, 2003. So it's Douglas. His arm is tender now. His tender had a little, like a lot of edge like right here. And also the edge like right there, and also as you can see, it kind of got a little Sharpie on his warning. Makes it less rare now, huh? Anyway, that's my review for now on. We're around with Douglas. Stormtrooper 432 signing off.